Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to change the washer nozzles on a 2011 Ford F-150. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. So this is all done by clips, plastic clips. This front cowl is got the clips that go inward onto this. So I take a body tool and I'm going to pry it out. When I do that, I'm going to lift up on the cowl like that. I just want to see if I have enough clearance to get in there. And I don't. So that's easy fix. So we're just going to take the wiper arms off. On these Fords, there's a safety pin right here. So basically you lift the arm up, hold it, take a flathead screwdriver, pull that arm out like that, then you leave it up like this and pry it up. There we go. So now with the hood down, we can get this side pin out. I'll use my body tool. If I can't get that, I'm going to use my needle nose. There we go. It's just a long body pin. Now with that out of the way, we can lift the shroud up. It's just metal clips in the back there. So you just want to be able to grab onto it and try to pull that up. I'm going to get a body tool in here. So there's a clip right about there against the shroud. There you go. There's one last one over here. There we go. So now we can lift this up out of the way. Inside here. And there is the spray nozzle hose. I'm just going to twist that off. Bring that down to my working level. So with a pair of pliers or a needle nose, we'll just squeeze those tabs, push it right through. Here we have the new spray nozzle from 1A Auto, and here's the factory one. If you go online and look up 1A Auto, this particular piece is a direct fit from the factory. It has a Motorcraft box. So if you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. When putting the nozzle back in, they have a cutout, as you can see, so it's kind of one way only. So we're going to push that right in there. Push it down and it locks right in. So now I can take my hose from the washer fluid tank and attach it to the nozzle. Make sure it goes all the way up in there. It locks in. And put the cowl back on. Just bring it right over. Make sure you line it, pull it all the way over here. The regulator, wiper regulator slides through. And then it's a matter of just lining, guiding everything up, and then snapping it down. So make sure you line up all your tabs against the windshield part. And then it's a matter of pushing down firmly. So now I'm going to put my body push pin in the outside, lock it down, and then I'll close the hood, put the wiper arm back on. Now, Fords have a notch on it, so it's supposed to be able to line up with no problem. Fall right into place, rest it against the glass, and we're good to go. To do the other spray nozzle, just repeat the procedure.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.